It is no secret that Jamaica has had significantly lower rainfall over the last 12 months than it would normally enjoy. All but 1 month has had rainfall below its 30-year average. In fact, the period between October and March, cumulatively, was the lowest rainfall for that 6-month period Jamaica had ever received. With that said, that has caused particular challenges. During October normally, it is our peak rainfall period. Jamaica is normally expected during that peak period to have its highest rainfall. Last year, Jamaica received 22% less rainfall for the month of October. We have not recovered since in terms of our inflows. Now, is there hope? Is there expectation of increased rainfall? Well, there is an expectation of increased rainfall, and we are seeing some of that already. There's a 50% projection that we could see above normal rainfall, but it is not conclusive that Jamaica will experience above normal rainfall. As such, we have to manage the resource that we have very carefully. There is no conclusive increase in rainfall expected. So even when we do get some inflows over a week or so, we will be managing the levels of output very carefully to ensure that as we head into drier months of November, December, January, we don't put ourselves into a particular problem. Now, how has this impacted the National Water Commission? Persons should recall that the National Water Commission does indeed serve 75% of Jamaica. That is what we call the utility footprint. We would have had a total of 154 systems severely impacted, and this would have been primarily on the eastern end of the island. We'd have had 15 systems impacted due to significant leak repairs, 81 systems that simply don't have enough flow. So when we say enough drought, we don't have enough input. We'd have also had some issues with JPS with single-phase power, and we'd have also had some issues of mechanical failure. Now, an issue that's often not spoken about, when you get heavy rainfall in an afternoon that may mirror a monthly normal rainfall, it creates issues of turbidity, and that forces us also to close down systems to reduce the flow of silt. Now, this has impacted, over the last 6 weeks, 809 communities severely.